All right, look what we got. It looks like simulation equipment.
So sus.
Doesn't smell anything. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Which color would come out?
Knock, 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 knock.
Don't think it's gonna be non-binary. What do I have? A secret weapon.
A secret weapon.
Let's open that box. And it's the Nurse Educator Special Edition Pink. Whoa! Make some noise! Only 200 units available. Now you're all equipped. Got the Euro kit. Oh, look at this. It's very nice, very subtle. Probably glows in the dark. Woo! So now you're all set to do your simulation in cafeterias, maybe gymnasium, or in a room that is completely random in your hospital, whatever you prefer. Ooh, very nice. Ta-da! So what it contains, you have an ear thermometer with its probe covers. You have the pulse oximeter. All these devices are simulators. So you cannot use them to diagnose a real patient. It won't work. You'll have to send fictional reading through a mobile app that is completely free. So all these devices are designed to work on both SP, so simulated participant, and low to high fidelity mannequins. Then you have the Gluco-mini, which is a pocket version of a glucometer. Then you have expired test strip. We put the one from Accu-Check, but you could use the one from Prodigy, from Contour Next, and any kind of expired or valid test strip that fits in the slot that is designed for the insertion of the test strip. Then you have the wrist strap for the pulse ox, clips together. And then you have different adapters because we thought of you. You may be based in Egypt, you could be based in Netherlands or in Switzerland or wherever around the world. So we have an adapter for you. We got the regular US Canadian charger. You can put the Australian adapter on it, or you can use another adapter and put the UK adapter, just like that. Or you can have the European adapter right here with the last charger. So you have 3 chargers and 9 adapters. So you could technically take this kit, and if you decide to go on a trip around the world to run simulation, to train other people, well, now you're fully equipped to do so. You have the charging cable because these devices don't run on single-use batteries. No, they run on high-quality medical grade lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. So once you have the charger, you now have the cable, USB-C cable. We don't use old format, and it's very doable. So now you are all set to run your simulation. So if you have any comment, if you want more information, if you need support, please reach out and we'll be very happy to assist you. See you very soon. Take care.